Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, find the place value of the underlined digit in the given number. And we have given one number here, 791. It is 1,418,791. Here we have to find the place value of 7. We can observe here 1 is at units place, okay. Then 9 is at tens place and 7 is at hundreds place. 7 is at hundreds place, okay. So the place value of 7 in the number 1418791, it means 1,418,791 is 700.